Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Mailchimp cloud marketing, full guide step by step clearly. To optimize your Mailchimp cloud marketing strategies, start by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the Audience tab in the dashboard. Review your audience segments to ensure they are targeted and relevant. Create segments based on user behavior, demographics, and engagement levels. Utilize tags to categorize your contacts for more personalized campaigns. Next, focus on your email campaigns. Select the Campaigns tab and analyze previous campaign performance. Identify which emails had the highest open and click rates. Based on this data, adjust your content and subject lines to improve engagement. Consider A/B testing different elements of your campaigns. Test various subject lines, images, and calls to action to see what resonates best with your audience. Moving on to automations, explore the Automation tab. Set up automated workflows for welcome emails, abandoned carts, and post-purchase follow-ups. Ensure your automated messages are personalized to enhance user experience. Now, let's optimize your content. Use the Content Studio to store and access your assets easily. Incorporate dynamic content in your emails to tailor the message to individual recipients. Keep your emails visually appealing with responsive designs. Next, focus on your analytics. Use these insights to refine your future campaigns. Make sure to integrate your Mailchimp account with other tools. Connect with your website, social media, and e-commerce platforms to gather more data. Finally, continually educate yourself on Mailchimp features. Visit Mailchimp's resources and tutorials to stay updated with best practices. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to optimizing your Mailchimp cloud marketing efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.